You might have used ChatGPT 3.5, which was developed by OpenAI. However, ChatGPT 3.5 often gives the wrong answers, and it can also provide banned content. But recently, OpenAI launched ChatGPT 4, which is 82% safer and 40% more accurate. In this video, we will explore the differences between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. Before diving deep into the features of ChatGPT 4, let's understand what ChatGPT is. We have seen many websites and apps with the chatbots that give answers to product-related questions. However, these chatbots can only answer some of our questions. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a chatbot that can give you an answer to any question you ask it. Let's take a look at how ChatGPT works. It is a large language model that has been trained with a deep learning algorithm to provide natural language responses to user input questions. ChatGPT is trained with a large amount of data, which allows it to easily identify patterns and relationships in the data. To better understand, let's look at an example. First, you can type your question into the ChatGPT. Then, with the help of the ChatGPT language model, your question is understood. Finally, using its large database, ChatGPT provides an answer to your question. One of the major improvements of the ChatGPT 4 over its predecessor, ChatGPT 3.5, is its increased processing power. ChatGPT 4 is capable of processing much larger amount of data, which allows it to generate longer responses and even write a long form of content up to 25,000 words. In comparison, ChatGPT 3.5 was only able to generate responses and write content of up to 3,000 words. This makes ChatGPT 4 a much more powerful tool for content creation and research. The second feature of the major update of the ChatGPT is that now ChatGPT 4 can also understand images easily. This means that you can upload an image and ask any question related to it. For example, you can take a photo of your food items and upload it to ask questions such as, "What can I make using this?" This feature gives you many options to explore. ChatGPT 4 is much safer and more accurate compared to ChatGPT 3.5. With ChatGPT 3.5, it was possible to assess banned content using certain tricks. However, based on the feedback and responses to ChatGPT 3.5, OpenAI has made ChatGPT 4 82% more secure. Moreover, ChatGPT 3.5 often gives incorrect and inappropriate answers to questions. ChatGPT 4 is expected to be 40% more accurate than ChatGPT 3.5. This will be more creative than the ChatGPT 3.5, which will take ideas to the next level. For example, if we type the plot of Cinderella in a sentence that starts with the letter A and ends with Z, it will write a beautiful short plot. This time, special attention was paid to reasoning capabilities as well. If you have 3 people, those schedules need to be accommodated for a meeting. ChatGPT 4 can tell you the best time to schedule the meeting. Please support our mission of making scientific knowledge accessible to everyone by sharing this video, like it, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.